Have you ever wondered how to analyze data efficiently? In this video, we'll explore data analysis using Excel and Google Sheets. We'll also introduce ChatGPT as your data helper. Data analysis is crucial in decision-making, marketing, and growing businesses. To get started, let's talk about the basics of Excel and Google Sheets. Both tools offer powerful functionalities for handling data. Now, let's see how ChatGPT can assist us in this process. Step 1 is using ChatGPT to write formulas for calculations. For example, if you want to find the average of a column, ask ChatGPT, "How do I calculate the average in Excel?" Use this formula. This saves time and reduces errors in your calculations. Next, clean data for accurate analysis using Excel functions like trim and clean. Again, ChatGPT can help by suggesting the right functions. Step 3 involves summarizing insights from your data. Use pivot tables or charts to visualize data effectively. ChatGPT can guide you in creating these visuals. For instance, how do I create a pivot table in Excel? This allows for quick insights and deeper understanding. Use Excel formulas with ChatGPT to analyze trends in your sales data. ChatGPT helps you spot growth areas quickly. If sales rise in one region, adjust your marketing strategy accordingly. In summary, use ChatGPT to enhance your data analysis. It helps with formulas, cleaning data, and summarizing insights. Try using ChatGPT today for your Excel and Google Sheets projects. In the next video we will discuss about freelancing with ChatGPT Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. Stay connected with us. Thank you.